will be normally distributed, regardless of what the parent distribution is. So if the parent distribution is skewed right, and you have a large enough sample size, your sample
eventually be
will still be normal.
So is it saying that, like, let's say go the opposite, the sample size decreases, so the less you have, the more skewed it'd be?
No, not necessarily. So if your parent distribution is normal, you're always going to get a normal distribution in your other thing. But if your sample is skewed right or skewed left, then if you have a small sample, your sample distribution is going to be skewed as well. Okay. And the number that they gave us as the golden number is 30. So if your sample is 30 or greater, then it's going to be a normal distribution. Okay. Okay, you all in?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, which of the following is the best statement of the law of large numbers?
Where are you on question 3?
That's for question 1 for me. Might be a little different.
So question 1 is about a group meeting.
Yeah.
So are you on the homework or on the group quiz?
Oh, crap.
We should be on question 3, right?
Right.
Okay, I'll just skim through this. Sorry.
I think the way it works is if you leave it, you're able to continue it later. So
yeah, because I accidentally opened quiz 7, but I'm able to do quiz 7.
Okay.
So I've done half of next
later.
Okay. I'll start with number 1. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? The answer is skewed right.
Skewed right.
Yep. Eric, you want to do the next one once you're in?
Yeah, sorry. True.
But I'm there.
Go ahead, Chris.
When you're taking a sample size n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Well, it's 100, so it's going to be normal.
That's right. Yeah. Scott, you want to do the next one?
Yeah, when you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape distribution of means histogram when the population is normally distributed? Is it normal?
Yep.
Yep.
Eric, you got question 6?
Yeah. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? That'd be skewed.
Normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
It'd be normal because it's large.
It's because it's normally, so the parent population is
if it's
normally
normal, it's always going to stay normal, right?
Yeah,
sorry, I didn't mean to talk when you were talking, Zach.
No worries. I'll do the next one. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? And it's all but C. So every answer except for data are drawn from a population that's right skewed and the sample size is small.
Okay.
And then, Chris, you want to do 8?
Yeah. Gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem. Population from which the data is drawn is normally distributed, then the sample mean X will follow a normal distribution. approximately 68% of the data will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean. About 95% of the data will be within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Okay, that's the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Yep.
If the sample size is large, then the sample mean X will be closer to the population mean.
That one.
That's it right there.
No, that's
Is it-
the law of large numbers.
It's D, right?
Right.
That's right. It's D.
Oh.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
No worries. It's easy to get them confused because they both have to do with large numbers, right?
All right.
What you drinking?
Just Gatorade. I've been a little bit sick.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You're going around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was sick too. All right, let X be a random variable with population of mean equals 10 and population standard deviation equals 6. Suppose a sample size of n equals 36 is drawn from this population. What does the mean of the distribution of sample means? Wait, isn't that just,
Would that be 10?
yeah.
It's 10.
just, yeah.
And then it's 6, right?
Yeah, what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means? 6.
No.
Oh, is
So the
this
way you find that is it's
6?
the sigma over the square root of the number of
So
n.
it's 6 over 6, it's 1. Right? 6 over the square root of 36.
Yeah, that's right.
So the answer is 1.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's 6 over the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So it's 6 over 6.
Eric, you want to do the next one?
Yeah. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample mean or sample size is large, n is greater than 30, what would be the shape distribution of the distribution of the sample mean? Wouldn't that be normal?
Yep.
Normal.
The magic number.
Chris, you want to finish us off?
It's law of large numbers, right?
No, it's central limit theorem.
Gosh, see, I got it confused.
The way to think of it is the law of large numbers corresponds to means, and the central limit theorem corresponds to normal distribution. So anytime you see the central limit theorem, you should think normal distribution. And if it doesn't have to do with normal distribution, it's not the central limit theorem.
Thank you. That helps.
Okay, let's submit it.
14 out of 14.
Sweet.
Did everyone get 100%?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
How'd you guys do on your homework tests?
The homework quiz?
You guys do okay on your homework tests?
For last week?
Oh, last week, yeah.
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 Oh, did you
Yeah,
guys?
last week.
Did you guys see what?
I feel like I get a lot better as I meet with you guys.
Oh yeah, I'm totally. These meetings help a lot.
Yeah.
Did you see
I
what
did
we
pretty
did
well.
wrong last week?
No, I didn't. What did we do
Yes,
wrong?
So we were supposed to use the negative z-score rather than the positive.
I
Well,
looked
it's
at that one.
basically
too.
arbitrary whether you use
It was actually one of the homework test questions.
Yeah. So because you take, yeah, I know, and I got that wrong too. So because you
Oh, you
take -3 and then you multiply it, it changes a number that's going to be positive to negative.
Yeah.
right. And I got the fact that you have a negative z-score because it is on the negative end, right? Makes sense. But it's just that
Well,
the other
when
situation,
I-
it's irrelevant.
Yeah. So the answer
Well,
came
what I
out.
did was set up an Excel sheet with like the different rate, mean and standard deviation, and it helped me kind of figure out what was positive, what was negative, and kind of get the areas between values.
Yeah.
when I did the homework quiz, you're in positive, but if you think about it, it did make sense because it was greater than the mean, and it's like, wait a minute, that's not right. And so I kept playing with it a little bit and then realized that I wasn't using the negative number. And when I used the negative number, it actually fit in the theorem. So it
We're
actually
talking
made
about-
sense to me.
We're talking about lesson 5 homework quiz.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for some reason I got all of those right. I don't remember the quiz at all though.
You must have used-
Well, you know, it pays to be as smart as you, though.
Yeah.
You got this stuff.
I forgot
Are you guys
The
still-
concept is hard for me to grasp a little bit.
Yeah. Are you guys still good to meet Thursday? What time on Thursday?
8:30, right, Chris?
8:30. That's right.
Yeah, it works for me.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Sweet.
All right. Does
Post it.
Thanks.
any questions? No. Cool.
I'm good.
Sweet. See you guys on Thursday.
Thanks for your help tonight.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye-bye.